The Autel Dragonfish is a versatile series of fixed-wing drones designed for various applications, including aerial surveying and search and rescue missions. Featuring a unique tilt-rotor design, it offers simplified operation while maximizing performance and efficiency. These modular and waterproof drones are equipped with powerful AI tracking capabilities and a range of modular payload options. Depending on the model, the Dragonfish boasts flight times from 75 to 180 minutes and a maximum speed of 108 km per hour, 18.6 miles per hour. Its advanced sensors and AI features ensure reliable performance, even in challenging environments, making it a robust and dependable tool for diverse mission requirements. The Hensoldt Setas see-through armor system is an advanced electro-optical observation system designed for armored vehicles, providing 360 degrees situational awareness to crew members while they remain safely inside. This innovative system features high-resolution visual and thermal cameras capable of detecting threats, such as snipers and RPGs, from over 300 meters away. With its modular and open interface architecture, Setas can be seamlessly integrated with various platforms and onboard systems, enhancing crew safety and operational efficiency by offering real-time close area observation and threat identification. This makes Setas a crucial asset for modern armored vehicle operations, ensuring superior situational awareness and threat detection. The Sarbot armed robot, showcased at the Saha Expo 2024 in Istanbul, represents a significant advancement in military technology. Designed for high-risk environments, Sarbot combines mobility, firepower, and cutting-edge autonomy to excel in reconnaissance, perimeter security, and operations in hostile terrains. This innovative robot leverages locally developed technologies and advanced mechatronic systems, highlighting Turkey's growing independence in defense manufacturing. With Sarbot, Sarelmas demonstrates its commitment to enhancing the capabilities of modern military forces and ensuring operational efficiency in challenging conditions. The B-21 Raider, developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force, is a next-generation stealth strategic bomber designed to deliver both conventional and nuclear munitions with precision. As part of the Long-Range Strike Bomber (LRSB) program, and named in honor of the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, the B-21 aims to replace older bombers like the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit by 2040, with the potential future replacement of the B-52 Stratofortress. Featuring advanced stealth capabilities, it is built to penetrate the toughest defenses and ensure America's air power dominance for decades to come, solidifying its role as a cornerstone of modern aerial warfare. MeduzaX is an advanced tactical optical drone detection system designed to counter unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, with fast 360-degree scanning capabilities using a unique mirror technique. This man-portable system weighs only 12 kilograms and is easily deployable in a portable bag. Incorporating supreme sensors and edge computing, MeduzaX delivers precise results with minimal false alarms, effectively distinguishing between drones, birds, and other objects. Providing high detection accuracy and enhanced situational awareness for ground forces, it is ideal for special forces, convoys, headquarters, VIP protection, counter-espionage, and strategic site security. Leonardo BriteStorm is a cutting-edge, low-size, weight, and power stand-in jammer payload designed for integration onto attritable UAVs and various launched effects. Utilizing advanced digital radio frequency memory technology, BriteStorm provides powerful stand-in jamming capabilities to protect friendly forces against sophisticated air defense systems. It employs a variety of jamming and deception techniques to disrupt enemy radar and communications, ensuring mission success by confusing and suppressing enemy air defenses. With its lightweight and compact design, BriteStorm is highly effective, flexible, and future-proof, making it an indispensable tool for modern electronic warfare operations. Die Holistic Underwater Dominance Lösung von Elbit Systems gewährleistet umfassend Überlegenheit unter Wasser in offenen und Kustennähen Gewässern, indem es eine mehrere Kustschutzschichten integriert. Die alle von einem fortschrittlichen maritimen Gefechtsmanagementsystem überwacht und gesteuert werden. Strategisches Schutznetz umfasst sehr niederfrequent Sonar für Verwarnungen über Distanzen von mehreren Kilometern, ein mittlere Schicht zur taktischen Bedrohungserkennung, Identification, Lokalisierung und Neutralisierung sowie ein Zwischeneben mit taktischen Fähigkeiten, an Bord des Siegel USV zur praktischen Bedrohungserkennung und Abfangung in Kustennähen Gewässern. Dieser mehrsichtige Ansatz garantiert ein robust Unterwasserverteidigung und verbessert Situationswahrnehmung. The VSR 700, developed by Airbus Helicopters, is a cutting-edge vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for anti-submarine warfare, ASW missions. This advanced UAV supports naval operations by deploying ASW barriers, positioning sonobuoys, and identifying periscopes using sophisticated radar and electro-optical sensors. With exceptional endurance, a low noise signature, and advanced detection capabilities, the VSR 700 enhances maritime defense by effectively detecting and deterring submarines. This makes it an invaluable asset for modern naval operations, ensuring superior situational awareness and security in underwater environments. The Anduril Dive-XL is an extra-large autonomous undersea vehicle designed for long-range, long-duration missions, including seabed surveys, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike operations. With a highly configurable architecture supporting multiple large payloads, this advanced vehicle utilizes an all-electric powertrain for extended underwater operations without surfacing, enhancing survivability and operational flexibility. Its modular design allows for rapid integration of third-party payloads, ensuring versatility across various mission sets. Dive-XL is setting new standards for maritime autonomy, with recent missions demonstrating its ability to stay submerged for extended periods and cover significant distances, making it a vital asset for modern naval operations. The Rheinmetall Keiler Next Generation is an advanced armored breaching vehicle designed to rapidly clear minefields and obstacles in combat situations. Built on the Kodiak Armored Engineer Vehicle chassis and part of the Leopard 2 family, it offers high agility with a top speed of 65 km per hour, a climbing capability of 90 centimeters, and the ability to cross trenches over 2.5 meters wide. Equipped with a mine plow, rocket-assisted detonation cord system, and an integrated lane marking system, the Keiler Next Generation ensures efficient barrier clearance. It also features the ROSI Rapid Obscurant System and the NATO 12.7 mm remotely controlled weapon station for enhanced self-defense, while supporting remote-controlled operation and integration into a digitalized battlefield.